So this is the question number 21, guys, which I'm going to solve, and the question number 21 is calculate the sum of element in an array, right? So come to the step first. First we define the input array, variable input array 51428. I just wrote, and then after that come to the step in the step first in this step you define the input array for which you wanted to calculate the sum of the element. Come to the step 2, initialize a variable for the sum, right? You initialize a variable sum to 0. This variable will be used to accumulate the sum of element in the array. Come to the step 3, iterate through the array. Okay, what happened there? Anyone know? You use a for loop to iterate through the element of the array. In each iteration you add the current element input array I to the sum variable. Okay, come to the step 4, check the sum of the element. In this final step you use console.log to print the sum of the element. Like input array, if you pass y 51428, it will output what? Sum of the element. See, when you run this code with the input 51428, it will show you the sum of the element, right? You use console.log to print this element, sum of the element plus sum. When you run this code with the input array 51428, it will show you sum of the element, how many? 20, right? So this is question number 21 I solved. Let's meet in question number 22.